Here we have one section of our PCF 18-inch column forms. This is specifically item number PCF 1896. The first two numbers stand for the diameter of the column form, and the last two numbers are for the height. Deslauriers has been manufacturing these for over 35 years. They've been a very successful product for us. We're going to demonstrate assembly and basic setup of the forms today. So they go together just simply like that. They're very lightweight, which has an advantage over our steel column forms. They can easily be handled by one person, where with the steel column forms, it usually takes a forklift or a crane to move them together. These forms have 3 sets of holes on 3 different gauge lines for assembly. There are 5 bolts per section to put them together, and they utilize standard 1/2-inch coil bolts that we also use in our steel column forms. All other pours, we recommend that every bolt hole be used. The hardware should never be tightened much more than hand tight. Over-torquing the bolts could cause the forms to crack. The head of the bolts are 3/4 inch and the nuts are 7/8. We do not recommend using power tools to tighten the hardware at any time. Just like our steel column forms, we recommend a light coating of form release oil on our PCFs before first pour and in between subsequent pours. A little bit goes a long way. You can use any formula of form release oil on the market. We also don't recommend pressure washing our forms. If you need to, a light rinse and scrape is all you need.